Hi, in this video we're going to talk about volume, and volume's filling things in. So we're going to focus only on our rectangular prism, and we're going to talk about the formula in a minute, but I want you to understand where the formula comes from. So I have this tall rectangular structure here, and I have a square over here. And let's say the square is, let me draw it this way, is 5 by, and I'm sorry, it's not a square, we're going to say it's a rectangle, is 5 by 6, okay? So, if you think of volume as a series of items stacked on top of one another. So, if we take this item here, and we keep stacking the squares till we get to the height of my object, so I'm going to keep stacking my squares, keep stacking my rectangles, keep stacking them, keep stacking them, stacking them. There we go. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to say my height is 9 because there are 9 rectangles stacked on top of one another. So I'm going to find the area of my rectangle. This is very similar to composite shape. So 5 times 6 is 30. So each square is worth 30. So this square is worth 30, this one's 30, this one's 30, this one's 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. I don't want to add 30 that many times. So when I want to do repeated addition, that's simply multiplication. So I have 9. My height I think of as my number of squares stacked on top of each other. So 30 times 9, well, 9 times 3, let's show you my trick again, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, sorry, it went off the screen. I want to do 3 times 9, 1, 2, 3, it's 27. And because it's 30, a multiple of 10, I put a 0 on the end. Okay, I multiplied 1, 2, 3 numbers together, so it's going to be units cubed because I multiplied 3 elements. So that's one way to think of it. The basic shape is a rectangle, so I find the area of the rectangle and then I multiply it by the height or the number of rectangles stacked on top of one another. Let's look at another one. Let's say that this is 7, this is 9, and this is 12. You can also use the formula for volume, which is length times width times height. So the length of my box is 7, so I'm going to substitute in 7 for the L. Oh, I made a mistake, didn't I? Okay, because I had 7 and 12 in the same place. So let me erase. I didn't label my picture correctly, so I'm going to put the 12 here. Okay, so 12 is going to be the width of my box, and my height is 9, and the operation is multiplication. 9 times 7, I know that one just in case. Let me show you my trick again. 0, 9. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I wrote the digits 0 to 9 on one side, and then I go backwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I want to do 9 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 63. 63, and then the other number is 12 times 12. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Placeholder because I'm moving over a position. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 6 is 6. Add down. I get 6, 5, 7. Units cubed because I multiplied length with height. 3 elements. Okay? Last one. Here we go. And I just wanted to do this one so you can see it from a different direction. Okay, so we're going to say this is 10. This is going to be 5, and this is going to be 7. Volume equals length times width times height. And it doesn't matter which one you call the length, the width, or the height. We just need to, you want to make sure if one of them you call the length, then you don't also call that same number the width or the height. Okay, so I'm going to give you a second to plug in your numbers where you'd like. Okay, I chose 10 as my length. My width is 7 because my box is 7 wide, and my height, my up down, is 5. Okay, I'm going to start here. 7 times 5 is 35 times 10, And remember, when we multiply by 10, We're just moving over a place value and we're filling the empty with the 0. So 350 units cubed. Now it's your turn to try.